So this is part of the curriculum I'm using. They have animal words. So they have A to Z, and each letter has an animal friend on it. It's amazing. They're big and bold, and they're really nice for the children to see, and they are all familiar animals. So these are the words we use for the arrow activity that I will show you at some point during the video. I am not a native English speaker, so this curriculum is very helpful because it has a music CD that goes with it. So the children are hearing the pronunciations of these letters from original English speakers. So I'm African and I have an accent, so that's very important. That was very important to me when selecting this particular curriculum. So I do try to make these sounds, but I am not an original. English is like my third language. So this curriculum comes in very handy when teaching the children. I do want them to learn high quality sounds that will help them, as they get to higher classes. So this is what we're using. One of the curriculum. I have mine. I use Creative, and I use this one. So 3 of them. So I'm going to play the music next. Hopefully I don't get a strike or a claim on this video because of the music, but I guess I'm kind of promoting the curriculum, so we'll see. This curriculum is a Christian curriculum, but there are Christian aspects of it. That part I'm not using. I am not a Christian preschool. I am a Christian personally, but I do not impose my religion on anybody, So I have all kinds of religious people here, non-religious, whatever. This place is for everybody, anybody that wants to come here. It's a very welcoming environment. Doesn't matter your orientations, political, religious. I don't care. I just care that your children are safe and well fed while they are here. Okay, so I'm going to play the music next, and you can hear the music.
Rusty rooster, R says ring and rock and ruler, roller skate and ribbon, R says
Learn the letter R plus how to make a simple $3 letter R sensory bin. Hi family, I'm Dr. Brenda Woburiosty. I'm a licensed daycare provider, a published author of 3 children's books, an advocate, a consultant, a veteran's wife, and a mother. If you need help setting up your daycare service or just looking for great ideas to incorporate a play-based learning approach as well as learn about research-based solutions to issues impacting education, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, share, like. Thank you. We use this bowl for sensory activities sometimes, but it's my kitchen bowl. I use it for washing veggies or all kinds of stuff. So when the kids are done with it, I wash it and put it right back in the kitchen. But these are red roses from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree. So I just put 3 red roses in there. Red, rose. And then I put these red cups as well, so the children can scoop with the cups and pour. I found this ring just laying down somewhere, some cheap ring I had, and it's a red ring, fortunately, and I put the red ring in there. And then I found like a bag of ribbons at the dollar store, and I took that too, ribbon, and also this ribbon has some red checkers designs on them. So I put some measuring cups that were not actually red. There was one red one though, but the other one's white, the other one's green. So I put those there so the children can scoop. I put these bells. I got these bells from the Dollar Tree, like a pack of 3 in one bag. And I opened it and I put that in there, and I'm gonna save them because I'll still use them for other sensory activities. So red bells. Excuse me. So I put them in there, and then I found these are scoops from baby food. I have a big bowl of them. I've been saving them, and we use them for sensory activities, counting, all kinds of fun stuff. The letter R right there is just made from cardboard paper. That's for a magnet board, that letter right there. But I looked around for all the letter R's that I have, well, some of them, and I put them in the bin. The other blue one is just like a cardboard paper. I found a rabbit, and that's a magnet for a magnet board. They were just like picture words, and actually that was part of a puzzle, but I took them from the puzzle, put it on our magnet board. And these rocks, we got these from the craft store. Yeah, red rocks. So that makes sense too for this for the sensory bin. I'm just putting all these things in here that makes sense with the letter R. Beginning letter, beginning sound, because that's what we're working on for this particular week that I made this bin. So look what we have. The bin is ready. The sensory bin is ready. And when the sensory bin is ready, you call the kids and they come on and play. And while they are playing, I'm right there talking with them, talking through this activity, even touching the rice and manipulating the objects in here. And we're talking about the letters and all the great stuff here. The baby tried to put some handful of rice in his mouth, but I was right there, So, and that's why you have to be right there when the children are doing sensory play, or any play actually. Supervision is very important. And you see how I tilted the table. That gives them like a bigger space to explore the sensory activity we are doing. This table was just the best thing I ever got. And it's waterproof, And now they're done playing, and it looks like a tornado went through here. But luckily, I have the table with most of the rice, and then the carpet, I just have to roll it and take it outside and try to scoop the rice, and then vacuum and sweep the regular floor and clean the table. And here we are. It's all clean. It didn't take me too long, because I plan for cleaning as we're doing, or as I'm planning the sensory activity. So then I cut this really big letter arrows, and I cut this from one of the curriculum we're using. I have 3 of them. I have one that I made. I have creative curriculum, and I have Abeka curriculum. So these words right here, they are from the Abeka curriculum, and we use those for flashlight activity. We turn the lights off and we use the flashlights as spotlights. And then we went outside. We did big letter arrows on the sidewalk and on the walkway, and the children traced them with blocks. They used rocks, they used tops, to trace the letters. They walked around it, the outline of the letter, they read it, they jumped it, they did all kinds of activities with it. And by the end of the week, we had explored with these letters and these words. Those black trays you see actually are from McDonald's. Yeah, those breakfast trays you get when you buy a breakfast from McDonald's? These are them. I saved them, and it comes in very handy with little pieces or parts when we do art or craft or learning activities. So we just put some glue on the on the big letter arrows, put some glue around them, let the children glue the words to them and read them, and we leave them right here on this IKEA shelf and right here by the mirror, so they can come, they can touch it, they can read it over and over again before they take the walk home. And I tell them, you can read, you can touch, but you cannot reap, the activity. So I hope you enjoyed watching this snippet of our day. Don't forget that prayers get answered, miracles still happen, and every single thing is possible. Support our channel. Please subscribe, like, share and subscribe. Support our channel. Our next goal is 4,000, at which point we're doing another giveaway. Please support us, help us share our videos. Leave a comment below. Tell me how you do your sensory activities, and also just general comments about the video you just watched, and also suggestions for more videos if you may. Thank you so much. We know our supporters, and thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye guys.